If you've ever downloaded a file in Telegram on your computer and then couldn't find it again, you're not alone. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to check Telegram download history on PC, where Telegram saves your files by default, and how to quickly find everything you've downloaded without wasting time searching through random folders. This is a simple tutorial, and by the end, you'll know both how to view your recent downloads inside Telegram desktop and how to locate the default download folder on your computer. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Telegram desktop on your computer. Make sure you're using the desktop app because this method is for PC and laptop users. Once Telegram opens, look to the top left corner of the screen and click the three horizontal lines, also known as the menu icon. This opens the main Telegram menu where you can access the app's settings and other options. From the menu, click Settings. Inside Settings, scroll or look for the Advanced section and select it. The Advanced Settings area is where Telegram keeps options related to storage, downloads, file paths, and app behavior. Once you're in Advanced, find and click Downloads. This is the section that shows you saved files and lets you open the folder where Telegram stores downloaded content on your PC. Depending on your version of Telegram, you may see a list of recent downloads or an option to open the download location directly. If you do, click it and you'll be taken straight to the folder where Telegram keeps your files. That folder is usually the place to check when you want to find an image, video, document, or audio file you downloaded from a chat. Now, if you don't see exactly what you're looking for inside Telegram, there's another very useful method. By default, Telegram saves files in a subfolder called Telegram Desktop inside your main Downloads folder. On Windows, the path usually looks like :users/yourname/downloads/Telegram Desktop. So if you open File Explorer, go to Downloads, and then open the Telegram Desktop folder, you should find your downloaded files there. This is especially helpful if you want to check older downloads or move files somewhere else on your computer. If your download folder was changed manually in Telegram settings, then the files may be stored in a different location. In that case, going through the Telegram Advanced Download settings is the fastest way to confirm the exact folder path. And here's a quick tip. If you use Telegram often, it's a good idea to remember this folder or even pin it to Quick Access in File Explorer so you can reach your files in just one click next time. You can also use the search bar in File Explorer and type the file name if you remember part of it. That makes it even easier to locate downloads from Telegram, especially if you receive a lot of files in different chats. So to recap, open Telegram Desktop, click the menu, go to Settings, then Advanced, then Downloads to view or open your saved files. And if needed, check the default Telegram Desktop folder inside your Downloads directory on your PC. That's the easiest way to check Telegram download history on PC. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more simple guides like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.